I didn't show y'all any of that. Hello and Happy New Year. Today is January 1st. We are, can we see? Yeah, it's snowing outside. So we made it, yay. So I hope you guys this year was blessed. I didn't do anything. We was just at home because clearly we had this ice storm coming here and we're not gonna risk it, and Corona's outside. So we just in the house. But I don't know, I'm trying to start this year strong, get back on my schedule, committing to every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for my uploads, you guys, because I'm really trying to, I just got goals for this year and I'm going to hit those, and it takes effort, it takes consistency and discipline, so we're getting on it. So this will be probably the first weekly vlog I pick up, or upload, I mean. So I'm going to do a quick workout. I'm gonna let you guys see that, and I'll let you guys see what workout I'm doing. I'll put that on the screen somewhere so you guys can check out the trainer I'm following, because I try to really promote that on my channel. It's just so easy to be fit, you guys, and it literally costs you nothing, you know. So I want to keep sharing that, and plus it's just a good way for me to document my journey to figure out if what I'm doing is actually a really effective way of doing this. Let's get to it. Let's hit this workout, and let's braid and bend some hair. Let's hop in the shower and let's see where the day goes. So let's get this workout going. As you can see, I just finished my workout. Ooh, time to go get my shape. Hold on. I didn't show y'all any of that. Okay, so I'm going to braid and bend my hair. because it's really dirty. I've been working out and sweating, and it just needs to be shampooed. It hasn't been shampooed since before my last retight, so I'm about to shampoo it today because it's just gross. And I'm wearing my Sweet Sweat brand from Amazon. It's backwards, but I'll link it below. And you can see I'm sweating, so it really does work, you guys. So if you want to check that out, I will link it below. I will link what protein I take, how I mix, you know, like all the ingredients in it. I shared it before, so I'm just not going to repeat myself. But if you don't know what protein I take and all of that, and you haven't seen my video, it'll all be linked in the description below. Really? Disrespect. When I'm braiding and banding my hair, I just section my hair into 4 quadrants, and then I take small sections from there. I braid it down to the end pretty far, and then when I get close to the end, I turn into a 2-strand twist, as you can see me doing right now, and then I twist it until I can't anymore, and then I bend it over and I put a rubber band on it. Okay, so I'm finally finished. I have 1 alfalfa because I decided to braid it weird. I don't know how many braids I got, but this is what we looking like. Look at my alfalfa. Like, you low-key bothering me though. But I low-key braid you off weird. But anyway, so I'm about to wash them. I don't know. I just don't want them to come loose because my hair is still pretty short. But you guys, it is definitely grown. So that's how I braid and bend my hair every time. It takes me about 25 minutes. I probably could do it in 20 if I wasn't recording, but you know how it is. If you don't know, moving cameras and stuff make it take a little bit longer. But yeah, about 20 minutes. And now we are going to hop in the shower because I need to so very bad. And question for my Sisterlock people, is this normal to have all these little hairs on you? Like look, it's all down me. Like, so if you have Sisterlocks, please comment below, and I'll probably ask in my updated video if I remember, because I know a ton of Sisterlock people watch those. If you have those little hairs after you braid and bend your hair, I mean, I know it's normal for hair to shed, and I'm thinking that we're getting smaller pieces because my hair is locking up. It should be anyway. But let me know if that's normal for you guys, or if I'm being way too rough or something. But shower time. Okay guys, so we are out of the shower. As you can see, I just put my scarf on because, as you know, I shampoo my hair, and my lactician tells me that once I braid and band it, to leave it braided until it completely dries. So it'll probably take till overnight for it to dry. And tomorrow, if it's just a little damp, then I'll just what am I trying to say? I'll just let it air dry. So I just decided to tie it up so I don't gotta look like Celie. Just walk around the house. And I did my pampering. Well, I guess not pampering, just my normal skincare. You guys, I really think skin is looking pretty good. I mean, it's not really bad, although we got this here, and we had this situation I dealt with today. We got this little one next to him. Then I'm trying to still decide. I know this is a mole like that, but I'm trying to decide if that's a mole. I don't know. See, I get confused since I get new moles and stuff. If it's a mole or if it's just a scar, because I won't know until it fades away. So anyway, but